how to fix your Snapchat camera not working. So let's get straight into the video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about all the steps you can take in order to go ahead and fix this problem. So the first thing and the most important thing you want to do is simply go ahead and try to restart your Snapchat. When you simply go ahead and close the app completely and open it again, it does generally solve the problem sometimes. If it still doesn't solve your problem, then the second thing you want to do is simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or even turn on your airplane mode and turn it off. The third thing you want to do is go to your settings and then your Snapchat and make sure that the camera permissions are toggled on. You can also go to your profile settings and account actions. You want to simply go ahead and clear cache. If none of it is working, you want to simply try restarting your mobile device, or if not, you want to check if there are any updates regarding the application. You want to go to your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and update your application. If nothing works, try uninstalling and reinstalling the application again. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.